Life moves fast, and the free myAT&T app is here to help. It's your personal assistant to help you manage and pay your AT&T accounts on your time, whether it's your wireless account, internet service, home phone, or Uverse entertainment. Don't have the myAT&T app yet? No problem. Download the app on the Apple App Store or Google Play. Or from your mobile device, just text myATT to 556699. Once logged in, you'll see 4 navigation tabs along the bottom, and you'll start in your Account tab. In your Account tab, you'll see a quick view of amount due and due date. To see your bill details, tap See My Bills. And to pay your bill, select Make a Payment. If you have a wireless account, under your billing info, you'll see a ton of info about your service and devices. In the wireless devices section, you can easily see your devices, plans, usage, and upgrade options and info. Just tap Manage Device to make many common changes to your wireless devices, including upgrades, managing features, support topics, and much more. Select the Shop tab on the bottom to shop for latest devices or accessories for your current device. Select the Support tab to get online support on your devices, troubleshoot service issues, activate your device, and more. Now let's select the last tab along the bottom, the 3-bar menu button labeled More. At the top, under your name, you can manage your profile. Let's quickly check out the 3 tabs you'll see here, beginning with My Info. In My Info, you can edit your user ID, password info, and security settings. Manage your stored payment methods. You can add, edit, or remove users on your account, and edit your address, and change the language we use for your paper bill. In the Communications tab, you can set a number of alerts and notices to help you stay on top of your account. And in your People and Permissions tab, you can update contact information for users on your account, adding authorized users and permissions, and more. Select the Back button at the top of the page, and you'll be right back in your menu screen. Let's check out these links below Manage Profile. You can select Explore More AT&T Apps to see a list of available smart device apps, or see policies and agreements, share feedback with us, or explore and adjust your privacy settings. And there you have it. Explore all the ways you can manage your AT&T account right at your fingertips. Download the app on the Apple App Store or Google Play today, or from your mobile device, text myATT to 556699 and we'll send you a link to download. You'll love being able to do what you need almost anywhere with the myAT&T app. Thank you for choosing AT&T.